Hello everyone.
The ANC retained Ward 4 in Balenhle near Secunda and the Governbeki municipality in Mpumalanga. Jacob Zuma's Umkhonto weSizwe Party took votes away from the ANC and the EFF to finish in second place in its Mpumalanga debut. The 2021 local government elections showed that the ANC had a tough challenge from an independent candidate on the ward ballot, with the party getting 44% while the independent won just under one-third of the vote. The EFF came third with 18% on the proportional representation ballot. And also the ANC beat the EFF by 30%. The DA was third on the ballot with 7%. The ANC lost its outright majority in the Governbeki, shedding 10 seats as declined from 36 to 26 in the 63-seat council. The DA grew from 15 to 17. The DA consolidated its position as the third largest party in the municipality by growing from 9 seats to 13. The Freedom Front Plus FF was fourth with a 3-seat haul. The Azania Residency ARP won 2 seats, while the IFP and the African Transformation Movement ATM claimed 1 each. The ANC made an agreement with the EFF to ensure it continued to govern the municipality. Simpiwe Sindelo, the ward councillor, was shot dead alongside F.A. Nokwanya, a ward committee member, in early December in 2022. He survived an attempt on his life when 5 gunmen shot at his car and his home. No one has been arrested for the murder. The ANC and the EFF were joined on the ballot by Jacob Zuma's Umkhonto weSizwe Party, which was making its Mpumalanga debut. The IFP, the local Singikukhanya was a Christian party, and the Truth and Solidarity Movement. The independent candidate, who won 32% of the vote in 2021, did not contest the by-election, hence the use of the previous PR percentage as the mode of comparison rather than the ward ballot. The ANC beat the MK party by 244 votes in an election where both the ruling party and the EFF lost some ground. The MK beat the EFF by 105 votes. At Tolokwazi Primary School, the ANC lost a little ground as its vote share went from 57% to 53%. MK won a third of the vote in this district, while the EFF declined from 25% to 10%. At Balenhle Primary School, the ANC's vote went from 55% to 48%. EFF finished second here with a small improvement from 27% to 29%. MK Party was third in the district with a credible 22%. This result suggests that MK can also at the very least compete in provinces beyond KwaZulu-Natal where Zulu is widely spoken. This is very encouraging result for the new party. It will also focus strongly on other parts of Mpumalanga and Gauteng since it can make strong inroads there. The next round of by-elections will be on 13 March when the ANC will defend 3 marginal seats in Newcastle, KwaZulu-Natal, and a safe seat in Umshwati, Wartburg area, as well as competitive seat in Emfuleni, Vereeniging in Gauteng, and a safe seat in Moretile, Makapanstad. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.